Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz. All right, guys, we got the Eagle Crossing from Homosassa Springs Wildlife Park. If you've not seen those videos, if you want to see an amazing floating manatees, just put in manatee, Karen Martz, Homosassa Springs, and press video. We've got this is my scrubber for the vegetables and fruit. We have from the Oasis Sanctuary years ago, something from the Bahamas with the parrots. And then we've got the salt and pepper shaker and the lighthouse from Harbortown. Then North Carolina Zoo, I still have a lot of videos coming out. All the cell phone ones are done, but the digital camera ones. And then we've got, I called it Cardinal City because I had so many cardinals, but we've got a mixture of Cardinals, Swans, look at the silly one in the background with the little crown. And then, in fact, that's from my brother's family. It was on top of something, like a bottle. And then this is Stephen and his family up in Arkansas, Jazz Nosby, Anastasia, Robert, and Abdil. And then I got this fake bird at a thrift store, and those are real parrot feathers from my parrot right upstairs, Fred and the parrot. And then this came from Connie at Christmas time. My mom made a little stocking before she passed away. And then we've got, believe it or not, some of these bottles, the first one with the cardinal, I found up in New Jersey, same with the one in the background on the left. I know it's crazy. As a kid, why was I digging around in a junkyard? I don't even know. I don't even know how we found the first bottle. But my brother and I, we used to, I guess, well, both my brothers actually, we would go ice skating through the woods, pretty cool. And like I said, I don't know how I found the first bottle, but I still have a bunch. And then that's a parrot sponge, and then look how cute. This is a parrot coffee mug. I collect mugs, and so you see right here we have all the cardinal stuff. That's from Sue Smith, and then these little birds are from Mary over in Crawford, Georgia, and she had 17 parrots when I met her, when I adopted Freedom at Feather Friends Forever. And then we've got the Hilton Head Diner. They got the surfboard and the Great Egret. Royal Parrot Trust, donate to them. And again, here's our North Carolina Zoo. The Cuban macaw, that came from Feather Friends Forever. Oh, I bought that, I think. Woo, I'm losing track. And then I found this when I was visiting my dad at the Red Barn. That's up in Shelnaw, Missouri. And then my brother gave me the salt and pepper shaker, the macaw. And then we have another salt and pepper shaker, which none of those actually have salt and pepper in them because I really don't even use salt and pepper. Isn't that crazy? Maybe twice a year on scrambled eggs or something, but generally don't. And, and I forgot we had the Cornell Lab, and then Bird Lover coffee mug from Ted and Pauline, and a few variety of birds over here. All right, guys, so we're signing off live. That's one half of the kitchen where no cooking ever takes place. Have a great day.